Namaskar guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In this video we are going to learn slices, which is one of the key aspects of Golang. So this is the continuation of our playlist Go with Golang, and let's go and learn the slices in Golang. So let's create a new file in day4 folder. I have already initiated the day4 series, and I'm going to create a new file called main.go, where I just need to import the package called main and initialize the function called main, which will be responsible for executing all our codes as if now. Now let's create our first slice. So how we can create our first slice. Obviously there are more than one ways, but we are gonna follow few of them. Those are popular and useful in Golang. So first of all, let's create a variable which will contain our slice. So let's go for animals. This is the variable name that is going to contain our slice. So slice is identical to arrays, but it comes with more flexibility and it has more power. So here we are also going to declare our data type, where surrounding with the curly braces the elements in the double quotation, so it means it's string data type. So let's insert dog, fish. They're the two animals, and this is the animal variable, which is a slice of strings. So how you can make it a variable which contains a variable of a array of string? Just insert the length inside this third bracket. So this is the array. Now if you remove it, it's the slice. So what is the difference between it? So you are specifying a particular length that it can take maximum, okay? And if you don't know how much elements are going to be inserted into your slice, then you should use slice, which is an empty bracket. Okay, this is the slice. Use it when you have infinite or unknown number of elements that can be inside your list. So now let's print it out by initiating the command fmt println animals, and in your terminal type the following command: go run main.go, and here you go, dog and fish. So this is one of the ways to create a slice of a string. But what if we go here and create some numbers? Let's go for numbers variable, which contain a slice of numbers 1 2 3. Oh, it's not a string, it's going to be an integer. So now it's valid. And if you go here and copy out the variable called numbers, and we don't need it as if now, as we are printing out only the numbers, so we are commenting it out. You can see that we have the slice of integers. Now similarly you can use other data types as well, but make sure that it is sharing the same data type. It means you cannot use other data types like string here, as you have already mentioned that this is the slice of a integer data type. Okay, so yeah, that is it. It need to be considered always. Fine. So now let's go and learn how you can slice a slice. So this is really important and funny too. Slice a slice. So I'm going to slice a slice by adding something here. Before that, we need to learn the append function that is responsible for appending another element to at the end of the corresponding slice. In this, you need to call that that variable which is containing the slice, where you need to add another element. So we are calling it, and then calling a function called append, and this append will take two parameters. First one is the slice, where you need to add the element, which is this animals again. Just paste it. And the second one is that element which you need to insert inside that animal slice. In this case, we're gonna put cat in it. Now, if you just rerun it, you will see that cat is appended inside that slice. Yes, that's good. Now let's add few more things here. Now what you can do, you can also create some extended animals, or extended animals, which is going to be a slice of a string as well. And here let's go and add grow, then cows, and yes, I guess these are okay. And you can also add a slice, append a slice into another slice. So we are appending this extended animal slice into that animal slice, but it's not giving it. Okay, so here is a little bit of typo, but it's not accepting it. Okay, so what you just need to do, just add 3 dots, which is the sprite function here. So it's going to extract all the elements and the elements from the animals, and they are going to be merged and reinitialized inside the animals slice. Now if you run the function, here you can see that dog and fish is coming from dog and fish, the animals, and in this animals, as we are printing it, and we have also another variable which contains a slice of a string, crow and cows. They are appended inside the animals, and resulting it has 4 elements: dog, fish and crow, cows. It is simple. Now I have told you there are more than one ways of creating slices. Let's see another one. So let's create another variable called copied animals, and you just need to make a slice by calling make function, which takes a type. Sorry for my background noises. Type, which is a slice of string, then the length is I guess the length can be animals. Okay, so we have a function called length as well. If you see that len, and in the functional argument, if you insert the animals, which have 4 initially, which has 2 elements and extended elements appended later, so which has 4 length. If you run it now, you will see the length of length of that particular array, which is 4, not array, slice is 4. So we can definitely use the length like this, length of animals, and then the copied animals. We made a mistake, typo, and here let's run it again. we have an empty list because it's just initialized. The length is just initialized, but we don't have anything inside it. So let's copy it by copy function, which takes two parameters. First one is the destination, where we need to copy, which is in this case copied animals, and the second one is the variable, the item that need to be copied, which is animals. Now if it's actually populating the copied animals with the elements that are extended and initialized initially made by dog and fish and crow and cows after appending it inside the animals. So now if you simply print out the copied animals, now you can see the empty slices filled with the values. That's really amazing. So this is another way of initiating or creating a slice. But is that what we are learning here? No. It is one of the 90% of slices. Now let's come here and explore slicing of a slice. So for example, we have four elements. Let's copy it and paste it here and comment it out so that it's not interrupt in our learning and code. So let's see how we can do it. We need to access this row. How we can do it? By accessing the particular index or position of this row. So the index, we know that in both arrays and slices, the index starts from 0. So in this case, dog is 0th position, fish is on first position, and the crow is 2nd position, and so on, the cows is at the 3rd position. So we need to access this row. So 0, 1, 2. We need to access the 2nd position here. By running it, you will see the crow is here in your terminal. I want the fish to crow. How we can do it? The fish is 1st position, so we can use this syntax that we need the elements of copied items from 1st position to 2nd position. Now you can see that fish is here, excluded the 2nd position. To see the 2nd position as well, you just need to add a little more. So excluding 3, it will show you that from 1st on 2, and it is these two are showing, excluding the 3rd position. But if you remove this first one and make it empty, so that it means that it will show you from the very starting to excluding 3rd position. So it means dog, fish and crow will be seen in the terminal now. See? And if you remove it, the 3, so it means from the very beginning to very end of the slice will be shown here. Okay, that's good. Now if you want to add it like 2nd, so you want to print out or access from the 2nd position 0, 1, 2, which means from crow to infinite level, so at the end of the slice. So you can use it this from 2nd position to very end. You can access the slice by inserting the using the following syntax code. Okay, so this is how you can use slices in Golang. I hope this video makes sense and give you a clear idea when to use array and when to use slice. If it gives you a little bit of knowledge, then make sure to like this video, and if you have any doubts in you, then feel free to comment down and I will try to solve it in comment section or in upcoming videos in troubleshooting series. And make sure to subscribe this channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you. Good night. Namaskar.